Before you start learning, please check the instructions in the video description. Make sure you follow the learning tips carefully, and don't forget to turn on automatic subtitles and translate them into your language if needed. This will help you get the best results from the lesson.
Likewise. I hope you have a successful meeting. Likewise. Likewise. I hope you have a successful meeting. Likewise. Drop the title. I think it's time we drop the title and use our first names. Likewise. I was just about to suggest that. Drop the title. I think it's time we drop the title and use our first names. Likewise. I was just about to suggest that. Quite the offer. That's quite the offer. But are you sure you want us to drop the title and ignore our professional hierarchy? Quite the offer. That's quite the offer. But are you sure you want us to drop the title and ignore our professional hierarchy? Pursue a career. While that's quite the offer, my priority right now is to pursue a career in environmental research. Pursue a career. While that's quite the offer, my priority right now is to pursue a career in environmental research. Feel at ease. It is much easier to pursue a career as a performer if you feel at ease in front of a large audience. Feel at ease. It is much easier to pursue a career as a performer if you feel at ease in front of a large audience. Shot put. The coach tried to make the students feel at ease before they started the shot put training. Shot put. The coach tried to make the students feel at ease before they started the shot put training. Slick. During the shot put finals, the ground became dangerously slick due to the sudden rain. Slick. During the shot put finals, the ground became dangerously slick due to the sudden rain. Downtown. The modern skyscrapers downtown looked very slick and impressive against the sunset. Downtown. The modern skyscrapers downtown looked very slick and impressive against the sunset. Look up to someone. When I worked downtown, I used to look up to someone who managed to stay positive despite the stressful environment. Look up to someone. When I worked downtown, I used to look up to someone who managed to stay positive despite the stressful environment. Too forward. I really look up to someone with your reputation, but I hope that asking for a favor so early wasn't something too forward. too forward. I really look up to someone with your reputation. But I hope that asking for a favor so early wasn't something too forward.